Hi, today I'm going to be working on patching holes in the floor. We have a lot of these holes left over from various plumbing and vents. Got another vent over here. Plus we have this large opening right here where we have the new floor meeting the old floor, and I have to kind of piece this together, patch that up. That's my goal today, is just getting all these holes patched up in the floor, ready for finishing.
The cypress nut things, smell that. Isn't that nice? Man, if I made a soap, I would make one a cypress scent. It's like sweet candy.
I think it's good, I just have to pound it in. Let me cut more out of my way so I can get my arm in here. So what I did was put these blockings in so that I would have something to attach a board right here. And then I had to shave these down because the old wood is slightly thicker than the new wood. So I just wanted to get it down as close as I could so that it's all on a flat plane. This is looking really good. I gotta cut some more of this to piece in here now. Out front. How's that look?
Excellent. Beautiful.
Alright, pull me. Pull! No, pull me this way. Pull! Don't you have any muscles? Can you give me some pliers or something? There's little nut bolts under here from the vent. Now let's see if this fits. Good.
Nice. Awesome.
Here's my new idea. I'll make the patch first, and then I'll trace it.
Oh, that's smarter.
And then it doesn't matter if it's straight or not, because it'll
just go into the spot.
Yeah. So this should fit. It might be a little snug, but let me see if I can get it. This is the way it's supposed to be. Boy, I think I need to make it a little bigger. Hey Ashley?
Yeah?
You want to put a screw in that while I hold it?
Yep.
Oh! No, I'm kidding.
Wow. Can you not do that?
Good.
Awesome.
Now onto the toilet hole. This one's pretty nasty. Probably gonna cut it back a little bit. Let's see how damaged that is. Yeah.
So what do you do, like 6x6?
I'll do a 5x5 because I don't. This is on the joist, and I don't want to cut over the joist. Done. Oh no, that looks good actually.
Ready?
Whoa.
Cool.
We'll try to sand that down and just make sure the wood is clean.
Number 3 is done.
Let's go. Boom, boom. I think it'll work.
Cool. Wow.
Done?
Nice.
Let's get this thing out of the way. That wasn't mine anyway. Let's see if this even fits. Look at that. That's solid.
Wow, it's all done now.
Yeah, except for fixing it underneath and, reinforcing it.
And then these little holes. You always angle it more towards me.
I like to see you.
It's like, get it off me. Yuck.
You're cute when you smile.
No, I won't smile.
Now it's too much on me. I don't want to look at my face.
It's like neither of us want it on us.
Mm-hmm.
It's like yuck. Can't even look at it.
Is this a plane or a truck? Why does this battery have 1 bar? This is us relaxing.
Is that what we're doing?
Yep. Because we're not working right now. Because we're taking a break. We got done a lot this week. We got the doors installed. And we got the holes patched. The holes in the floor, that just went so much better than I thought it would. We got it done all in one night, which good because it wasn't a huge job. Feels super solid. And luckily we had that piece of OSB left over. It seems like a waste to have this full sheet of OSB just cut up for patches, but we actually bought that when we repaired the floor, a couple months ago?
Yeah.
And it was extra. We thought we would need it. We didn't need it, so it's been sitting here ever since. Might as well use it for the floor. And we're going to have a lot more patching to do in the house, I'm sure. It's going to come in handy.
Mm-hmm.
So underneath the floor, we have 2x material holding up. I don't know if you guys could see it in the video, but what we did was we took like 2x10s, 2x8s, depending on the patch we were doing, and we cut it to the width of the joist bay, and we put it up flat against the floor, screwed through into that, and then screwed the patch to that. We didn't do them all yet, but we're going to come through the sides of the joists into it to keep it really solid. It's going to be a total solid patch. That's one of those jobs that we put off for a long time, and it just feels so good to get it done.
Yeah, and now we don't have to worry about like stepping in the holes accidentally.
Yeah. At the beginning of this week, you might remember I said I wanted to get the doors, the holes, and plumbing. I said plumbing. There's no way we're going to get to that. It's the end of the week, and we don't have it done. But we do have the plumbing supplies. We have everything we need to get going. So we're going to try to push for, hopefully next week, plumbing. That'll be fun. We're going to be doing PEX A again, which we really enjoyed, which is a cold expansion PEX. We'll show you the details on that if you're not familiar.
Yeah,
and
we did that in our last house and we liked it, so we're definitely going to do that again here.
It's a good system.
We're also going to be doing tiling pretty soon.
Wow, already doing tile.
Yeah.
We're going to be doing some tile jobs out of the normal order, but we're going to be doing the tile before the walls.
In the entryway.
Yeah. We actually have the entryway tile. It's going to be really awesome. You guys are going to love it. It's beautiful.
It's something like we've never done before.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe at the end of this video you can insert my butterfly clips.
Mm-hmm. So the plan tonight at this point is just to relax. We're going to start a fire, hang out, enjoy the night as a family. We actually have a little fire ring that we made out of the bottom of the barrel that we used to make the base for our
water pressure tank.
The pressure tank, yep. So we've been using the bottom cutoff as a little fire pit and it works awesome.
Yeah.
So we just sit out here by the pond, have a little fire. You can see the sun's starting to come down behind us. Perfect time.
Yeah.
I actually keep thinking about picking up another barrel. I know it's a big cost, but I almost want to put 2 pressure tanks on our well. I was thinking about doubling them up because it would give us more water in case of a power outage. We'd have more reserve water, but also, more importantly, it would make our pump cycle less often. So basically, our tank as it is right now will draw down about 25 gallons, and then our well pump turns on, and it fills it back up. If we had 2 tanks, I think it should work that we could draw down 50 gallons of water before the tank or the well pump turns on. And runtime doesn't matter for a well pump. It's the on and off that really affects it. So the fewer cycle times, the better. And that would lengthen the lifespan of our well pump. Might be something we do in the future.
Mm-hmm.
We'll have to see if we can get another barrel. Anyway, that's a ramble. It's just we always have a lot of plans that we want to do, future plans. We're looking all over this property, just thinking about our dreams and what we want to do. And
Yep.
everything is waiting for something else, but we're getting there. We're trying to do our best. The first thing we got to do, like we keep saying, is just make the property level
Yep.
and clean.
Fill in spots.
Yeah. And then we're going to have a lot more outdoor projects mixed in with the renovation, and that's going to be fun, because then we're going to be doing fun stuff with the work.
Yeah.
But that's the update for now. That's all of the updates. We got the holes patched. I am happy. That's a job done, and progress is progress. As long as we keep moving forward, we're happy, because that's what it's about.
Yep.
Life is really just this weird journey, and you never know what's ahead, so all you can do is keep going forward to see what's ahead.
That's it.
If you stand still, you'll never know. So we do our best to keep doing that, and it's pretty amazing so far. Totally unexpected.
Mm-hmm.
We're just happy that we're here and get to keep doing what we're doing.
I'm happy we're in Florida.
It's been pretty awesome.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching. We'll be back soon, hopefully with some fun updates. So until next time, take care.
Bye.